everyone, welcome back to Funani Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on House of Zwide from the 12th to the 16th of September 2022 on Monday. Faith struggled with the weight of Funani's request while a healthier Isaac tried to reach out and talk to Honor on Tuesday. Funani and Faith have an emotional showdown while Ria suddenly finds herself caught between Honor and Keletso on Wednesday. Funani realizes his new deal has consequences for the Mulapos, while Mulefe pretend everything is okay with Dorothy before threatening Sandile on Thursday. Funani is ready to move on, but Mavuso informs him they have a problem, while Honor takes out her frustration on Keletso on Friday. Funani and Les come to grips with the fact they will be going up against Alex Kadzi, while Honor tries to run away from her troubles yet again. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.